Hey guys, welcome to Selfie Style. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Just press the subscribe button. Today I continue my series of reviewing my favorite films. This time Christopher Nolan's Memento, one of my favorites. Let's get started. Memento. Memento is a film that keeps you hooked. It is suspenseful, psychological, and twisted. Suspenseful because it keeps you guessing while a man with severe amnesia tries to figure out who killed his wife. Psychological because it delves into the mind of a man who loses his memory approximately every 15 minutes, and twisted because of the various revelations throughout the film and the manner by which a person with such a condition tries to put together the pieces of the puzzle. This film is a perfect example of a unique suspense thriller, because this film isn't your usual drama about a cop trying to figure something out. This thriller is personal in more ways than one, and the interesting narrative makes it even more compelling and intriguing. The first thing that stands out in this film is the concept itself. One just needs to read the premise to get curious enough to watch the film. The second thing that stands out is the unique filmmaking and writing style to tell the story. This film is presented as two different sequences of scenes, interspersed throughout the film. A series of black and white that is shown chronologically in linear style, and a series of colored sequences shown in reverse order. This style of screenplay manages to put the viewer in the mental state of the protagonist. The two sequences meet at the end of the film, producing one complete and cohesive narrative. To say it works is an understatement. Brilliant would be the right word to describe the screenplay and direction. Right away, I would like to say that this film really goes to show the brilliance of the filmmaker, Christopher Nolan. This film is still his best, according to me. It is original and very well made, and also perhaps goes to show that creativity runs in the Nolan family, since the film's script was based on a pitch by Jonathan Nolan, the brother of Christopher Nolan. There are many scenes and sequences that stand out in this film. This is the type of movie where you notice something new if you watch it the second time or the third time. What really keeps you on the edge of your seat is how the protagonist, Leonard, uses tattoos all across his body to remind him of his ultimate goal, and a collection of Polaroid photographs to remind him of who are his enemies and who are his friends. Throughout the film, there are various twists and turns, as Leonard slowly starts uncovering the truth. It's also interesting to see how the different characters in the film use Leonard's memory problem against him.
Natalie.
You don't remember me.
I'm sorry, I should have explained. I have this...
You did explain, Lenny.
Please call me Leonard. My wife called me Lenny.
Yeah, I know, you told me.
Well, then I probably told you how much I hated it.
Yeah.
This film really makes us question who is with him and who is against him. It manages to evoke anger against those who take advantage of him, while evoking sympathy towards Leonard. From a technical standpoint, this film is very superior, mainly because of what it manages to do in a budget of just $9 million. The use of color, the use of out-of-focus shots versus in-focus shots, the black and white portions, everything has a clear purpose. This film succeeds at using the technical aspects of filmmaking to enhance the storytelling. The sound and the edit is also done so keeping in mind the story. From an acting standpoint, Guy Pearce is awesome. He is Leonard, and you can't imagine anyone else playing this role. According to me, this is his film along with the film of writer-director Christopher Nolan. All the other actors are also very impressive. If you watch any other film of Christopher Nolan, whether it's Inception or Prestige, then it becomes clear that only Christopher Nolan could have pulled off a film like Memento. This is a film that you can't really stop thinking about after watching it, and you will be enticed to watch it again. If you are a filmmaker, then you should watch this film just to observe the structure and the narrative style. So guys, Memento. You should watch this. I watched this. I remember watching this in college. I mean, if you can remember where you watched the film, that means the film is very memorable. So guys, this is Selfie Style on the spot. Please like, share, subscribe. Till next time, peace out. Bye.